Hey everyone, this is Chase at Kolpin ATV, and today we want to show you this Throttle Master from Kolpin. For ATVs, this has two specific functions. First, they say it's going to give a smoother throttle control, and the other is that it helps eliminate and reduce fatigue and thumb soreness. If you've ever been on those longer rides and you feel like your thumb's starting to get tired and sore by the end of the day, or somebody you know has had that problem, this will help eliminate that. And the way it works is real simple. It's universal fitment. So it literally just clamps right onto your thumb throttle. And you can see once you have it mounted up, it's just going to extend and come farther out. It just gives you more leverage, and it just makes it easier to press on that thumb throttle. So that's how they're gonna help reduce and eliminate a lot of that fatigue. And when you have this mounted up, one of the features that's kind of cool about this is this end piece right here has a nice rubber coating on it, but you can actually bend this and get that exactly how you want it. So you can, once you put it on there, you kind of fine tune that and customize it exactly how you need it. You can also lengthen this and have it go farther out if you do want to. Right here on the inside, you actually have these little teeth that you can adjust the length if you need to. So they give you ways to customize this and get it exactly set up how you're going to want it. Now with that being said, there are a couple things that we noticed while installing this that we do want to point out. So we have it here on this XP1000. And like I said, you can adjust the length, and just looking at it, you can see that this gives you adds a lot of throw to the actual thumb throttle. It comes pretty far out, so you bend that in, but for us, honestly, it comes out a little bit too far. And when it comes out of the package, you can't actually adjust it in any farther, you can only come out. So the way that we would have to get around that is probably take this throttle housing, loosen it, then slide it down the handlebar a little bit. And the other thing that I noticed too is that when I go and I push in on this throttle, that it actually contacts my fingers that are underneath the grip. So a couple things that we notice, again, every machine's gonna be a little bit different. I think for a lot of ATVs, it's gonna offer great fitment, it's gonna work great. Some others, like this XP1000, you might run into some of those issues. The other thing that they do mention that you do want to be mindful of is that in some cases, you might have to trim the bottom of your grip right here on the flange just to eliminate that from rubbing, because the last thing you want to do is press that throttle in and have it get stuck. So a couple things to be mindful of, but again, inexpensive, about 20 bucks, universal fitment. If you have hand fatigue, your thumb gets sore while you're out there riding, this could be a great little accessory to add on to your ATV. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours, click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. If you like this little spotlight video, well, do yourself a favor, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.